Okay, so this is a video around about Pythagoras Theorem. Pythagoras was someone who lived in Greece when Greece was the main cultural centre of the world, and the Greeks were very interested in triangles. So Pythagoras, who ran a school, was very interested in triangles. Now this theorem's been attributed to him, and it carries his name, which is why there's an apostrophe in the name of the theorem, because it's someone's theorem. And first thing that we need to talk about is the fact that this theorem is about triangles, and it only works on one type of triangle, which is a right angle triangle. Any other type of triangle, if it's not a right angle triangle, then we have to either try and find a right angle triangle or we can't do it. We can work out ways later on when we get to higher levels of mathematics, but at the moment it has to be a right angle triangle. The second thing is I need to introduce you to a name, and the name is the longest side of a triangle is called the hypotenuse, and it is opposite the right angle. So see how the right angle is there? So that side there is the hypotenuse, it's the longest side, and that matters in this. So what Pythagoras noticed was the fact that if he took the two shorter sides, which I'm going to call A and B, he noticed when he took those two sides and he squared them, that equaled the same as his longest side, which we're going to call C squared. And that was quite important. So it means that any triangle now, doesn't matter what the sides are, so if I make that 5 centimetres and this 8 centimetres, and I want to find out the longest side, well then straight away I can go 5 squared plus 8 squared equals my longest side squared. So that's 25 plus 64 is my longest side squared. Now we kind of know, or you should kind of know, how to undo a square. So that's 89. And 89 equals my longest side squared. So if I square root 89, that equals my missing side. And I can work out the square root of 89, assuming I have my calculator handy, and therefore I can say that the longest side of my triangle is 9.43 to 2 decimal places. And that's it. Now that's the basics. That's when I've got two shorter sides and I'm looking for the longest side. The next video will be looking at the other side of that, which is where I've got the longest side and another side, and I'm going to work out the third side. That will be fairly straightforward, and that's it. Cool. See you next time.